Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be planning out the month of October, and I'm going to be planning it out in my MakseLife planner. Okay, so yes, that is right. I have switched planners again for the 500th time, and I honestly just don't care. That's where I'm at. So I started using this. I kind of never stopped using it. I was using the horizontal layout mainly for journaling. This past week I used the horizontal for an actual weekly layout just to see how I liked it, and I got this layout idea from Allie's Cup of Java over on Instagram, and I honestly do like it. Now I actually have vertical back in here, so I can just snip horizontal and put the pages in here if I wanted to, but that's what I've kind of been doing. I've also been keeping up with like my weekly reflections and goals and things like that. So having jumped back into this one though, I don't have a kit, and that's going to be fine because what I think I want to do is I ordered a couple of these sheets of the new pumpkin theme that EC has, and I might use some of this. And then I didn't realize that I was still getting the EC sticker subscription, and this came in it, and I was like, well, I could probably do some kind of combination of both of these just to add a little something to the pages, so we will see. And then I went ahead and just grabbed some additional stickers from Planner Kate, and I just pulled them off the sheet to just make things a little bit easier. What I was also thinking of doing is just kind of decorating with the pumpkins, like all the way across and around the month of October. So I guess we can see how that will go and hope that I don't screw it up. And then there will be some pieces that I will use from this sheet. When I checked earlier, these are a little bit too thick for the MakseLife. I could always trim them, but I also like the idea of just using the individual pumpkins to create something. It'll look cute at some point. I haven't done a monthly layout without a kit in a really long time, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I like the way that looks so far. Like I said, I don't have a kit, so I don't really have a way to decorate a whole lot, and that's going to be okay. There's also some other stickers on here that have like leaves and some words and things like that, but I don't think I'm going to use that. That's probably going to be the extent of the decorating for this particular layout. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with, let's just go ahead and do paydays here, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and use the orange stickers and make that work. I'm also using my Pilot Precise V5 RT pen. I talked about this briefly over on Instagram and probably over the last few videos that I've done, and I really like this pen. It writes well on a lot of different stickers. Now it doesn't write well on vinyl stickers, obviously, because it is not a permanent marker, but it does the job. I really like this, and it just works well on all different kinds of papers. This past week or so I've tried it on cloth and paper, EC, now MakseLife. It has worked really well. All right, let's get these put down. This isn't exactly the orange that I was going for, but it's going to work for now. Also, one of the things that I love is that I don't have to worry about my stickers not being able to come back up in case I do something that I shouldn't do. That is a very good thing. So I don't have a lot of things to put down in this layout, but I just felt like I couldn't go on into what's technically the first full week of October without at least doing this layout, because I really don't like when I get behind on doing my monthly layouts. And I've got to do one more of these and then I will be all set. So this video might be a little bit short, just in the fact that, I don't know, I need a monthly layout to get like a big picture of things, but there isn't necessarily a lot going on the pages, if that makes sense. I also wanted to mark my YouTube payday. It's usually around the 21st, so we will see if that's the case. All right, there is that. The other big thing is that, let's see, on the 9th, actually let's put down this, because Jesse will be out of town for this week, and I know that I want to use this strip right here from this EC kit, because I think the blue will tie in nicely with the pumpkins over there. So I'm gonna put it right about here, because it is Monday through Thursday. And I'm going to use the bookmark to cut that off and then just continue it over through here. I love this color. It's like a grayish blue-green. I don't know. It's really, really nice. And I think that I will use this sort of yellowy, these aren't really half boxes, but they aren't quarter boxes either. I'm not sure what you would call this. All right, there we go. I'm just going to put that right over here, and then I think that that was it for really like this whole half of this whole side of the page. I don't really put a whole lot of other things. We don't have any big holidays. We don't have days off from work. None of that fun stuff. So like I said, not a whole lot to put on here. All right, then I've got on Sunday the 9th, we have our appliance delivery. Fingers crossed that that goes very smooth. That would be fantastic. So we still don't have a set time for that, but hopefully the day before, I believe that they will give us a time frame of about 4 hours for when they will come by and deliver our kitchen appliances. So I hope that that goes as planned. We will see. All right, and then at the end of October, I actually managed to remember to schedule my hair appointment well in advance. It is very, very hard to get a Saturday appointment with my stylist, so I'm just really, really grateful that I remembered to set up this appointment well in advance, because I am ready to take a few inches off my hair and go a little bit darker for the fall. All right, and then one other thing that I wanted to remember is that another thing on the 9th is that it is bulk trash pickup for our neighborhood. So once a year, our town does a bulk trash thing, and while we really don't have a lot to put out there because we paid for that service over the summer so that we wouldn't have to wait until October, I do want to mark it, and then I can always like reference it as far as when it was before, because honestly it's normally in April and it was pushed back to October due to COVID and all of that. So yeah, we don't have that much to put out there, but I still we need to do a sweep of the house and see if there's really anything that needs to go out that can't go out with regular trash. Like they come and pick up like large furniture, things like that. They have like a whole list of rules of things that they can and cannot pick up for that event. All right, so one of the things that I wanted to add were these wacky holidays from Planner Kate. Are already a few days into October, but nonetheless, I still want to add them because they are cute. So the first was International Coffee Day, pretty much a national holiday for us. Speaking of coffee, I recently ordered the pumpkin spice cake pods from Nespresso. They are absolutely amazing. I recommend them a lot. All right, we are going to skip to the 4th, which is National Frappuccino Day. Did not know that. Might have to make a stop to Starbucks to make up for the fact that I think Nespresso's pumpkin spice is better. All right, the 5th is Do Something Nice Day. We should all participate in that. The 6th is National Kale Day. I actually like kale. I love it. Not that bad. I don't know if I should be putting these above the line or below. I don't know. The 8th is World Egg Day. Awesome. Love eggs. I noticed a lot of these are food related, so there's that. Oh my gosh, the 9th is Moldy Cheese Day. I hope we don't have that issue with having to transfer food from one fridge to the next. We shall see. Okay, the 10th is National Angel Food Cake Day. Good to know. The 11th is It's My Party Day. Never heard of that one. And then let's see, the 12th is Moment of Frustration Day. Okay. I hope that day isn't very frustrating. 14th is National Dessert Day. 15th is Bosses Day. That's a good heads up. I guess I'll have to, oh, it's actually printed in the planner too. That's funny. All right, the 17th is National Pasta Day. I can get on board with that. Love pasta. 18th is National Meatloaf Day. Might have to make space for that in our meal plan. 19th is Evaluate Your Life Day. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm doing that daily. 21st is National Nacho Day. Again, adjusting the meal plan accordingly. And the 21st is National Pumpkin Cheesecake Day. Oh no, that's 2 days. 2 things on the same day. They're not going to fit. That's fine. I didn't realize that there were 2 on the same day. I might have is that a mistype? I'm not totally sure. It could be. But we'll move on to the 23rd, which is National Make a Difference Day. Then the 24th is Mother-in-Law Day. And then the 25th says it's World Pasta Day. But, okay, so National Pasta Day is on the 17th. That's cool. We're just going to skip over that. The 27th is Black Cat Day. They deserve their own day. They get such a bad rap. It's not fair. And of course, the 30th, my favorite, is National Candy Corn Day. As you guys know, because I've mentioned it numerous times, I love candy corn. I think it is delicious. So there is everything for this month's plan with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.